Today we are going to talk about solving the math mysteries. So you will already have been given a math mystery intro video, so an introduction to the case that we will be working on. You will also be given some initial directions, a direction sheet kind of giving you some backstory on what's going on. You will also be given either a suspect list or a possible locations list, depending on the puzzle that you are solving. And then you will be given several clues. Okay, so what you need handy to solve the mystery is this locations or suspect sheet along with your 5 clues. So this right here is going to help guide us to the answer. We're going to talk using the case of the puzzled pirate today. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do for every clue is to do the math. So there's going to be a math skill that needs to be accomplished. If you need to review that skill before you solve the clue, you are welcome to use anchor charts or videos to help you complete the math work. As you complete the math work, there are a couple of different ways, but you will be given a clue. So in this case, we solved what needed to be solved. And with that 70, there was a letter A. So I went and found all the 70s and then put in the letter A. So I did that to get an entire clue. So here for clue number 1, for the case of the puzzled pirate, I got you won't need to dig to find the treasure. Okay, so the clue is I don't need to dig to find the treasure. So I go over to my possible locations sheet. Here's a list of the locations. And then here it says buried, yes or no. So because this is telling me I don't need to dig, then obviously it's not buried. Okay, so it's not buried. Therefore, I can go through and cross off anything that is buried. Okay, so this is buried. Yes, it is buried. So I can cross off this entire location. This is buried. Down here, the Sacred Grove is buried and the Mermaid's Grotto is buried. So I've narrowed down, I've gotten rid of 4 possible locations and narrowed down my search. So now I go to clue number 2. Clue number 2, again, I have to do some math. Again, if I need some support in the math, I can go back and review videos or anchor charts or practice. From there, my work matches a letter that leads us down here to another clue. This clue says that the chest will be on the left side of the location. So I go back to my possible locations and I know that it's going to be on the left. So I have to determine which column that clue falls into. We already did buried. I could even cross that out. Excuse me. I can cross that buried out. I've already done it. Positional direction, west, north. Nope. It doesn't say northwest, east or south. It talks about left. Okay. So we know that it's going to be on the left side. So any location that's not on the left, any treasure that's not on the left can get crossed out. So for here, the Forsaken Creek is in the right. So that gets crossed out. Here, left, we want that. Okay, we want to keep that there. Left, middle. The Whispering Woods is in the middle. The Elven Sanctuary is on the right. Left. Middle, Mango Shores. Cross that out. Salmon Bay Landing is still good because it's on the left. And then Twilight Bay is incorrect because it's on the right. Okay, so everything here I should have nose in the buried column and left's in this hidden area. So we've got 3 more clues. I'm not going to go through all 3 clues with you. I don't want to give away all the answers. But as you continue and you go through the clues, you should have by the end, once you have all 5 clues completed, you should just have 1 location left. And that location, this part right here, will be your answer, whichever one it is.